Okay, I am working on the band for the bottom band for this Judson drastic pullover or sweater, and I want to show you a little bit how I did. So I did the first, when I got to the band, I finished out my color width on this one because I wanted, even though it went a little bit past my measurement, I wanted to finish out having the same number of blue rows as I have in every other solid blue stripe. That way it matches. So my next color would be green. I would normally have, if I was doing the pattern, so I did a green band. Even though my cast on up here is navy, it won't make a difference. I just decided to do the green. So what I did is the first round I did completely in knit stitches. That makes for a neater transition to the color. And so then I went and did 6 rows of knit 1, purl 1. Then I did my center row of all purl. And then I did 7 rows of knit 1, purl 1, so that it's exactly the same size as the other one. So now I'm getting ready to cast off on this. And what I'm doing is I am matching them up. So when I have one stitch here, I make sure it's matching the stitch that I have in here. And I'm taking a crochet hook, going through the stitch on the needle, picking up the stitch, the first cast on this color, or the first stitch in the green, and then chaining one through both. Then I can push those off, and then chaining it through the loop. This is giving me a nice edge in here as I cast off, and so there won't be any weaving in or bumps or anything like that. It just go through the stitch on the needle, through the corresponding stitch where I began this color, pull through both, and then pull through the loop on there. And I keep this fairly loose so that it has a little give in there. It doesn't make it too tight. That is the biggest problem, is getting your stitches as you cast off a little too tight, and then they don't want to stretch. So I keep that fairly loose.